course, this is my very first zombie costume I ever made. It was a long time ago, but I wanted to show you the pieces here. Yes, this was a pretty easy project. It's a little cheesy, but hey, it's my very first one, so take a look at it. Yes, this shirt has some paint on it, but it also has some, fabric dye as well. Now I just pulled the mask and the gloves out of the attic, and yes, it's seen better days, but hey, I took some time and repainted some of it and renewed it just for this video, so take a look. Yes, the paint that I was using here was a mixture of acrylic and latex, and it also was the blacklight paint. And so you get to see everything under the black light. I'm going to pan back and forth on these pieces. So I just wanted to prepare you for this part. It's going to be a little cheesy, but hey, I needed to show part of this costume off here, so you can see how it is when it was being used in the haunted house that I was using it in. Alright, now to the finale here. I'm going to put the lights out and put the black light on. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you.